Good afternoon, country people. Them plenty glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. PG News Debate. Number 13 day for number 10 moon 2018. We go surely turn back for talk as we vote it be happen. We go just look at some of the places where it be make plenty people for open their eye as we vote for Genyun Kunkuma pass. We go talk to this palaver fake people for Transparency International where they talk say they can look vote. Then we go enter to for inside our quarter for see as we country they happen for quarter. Plus, Ndongamen for prepare for all Anglophone conference. Sabiso another prepare meeting. It be happen for inside Douala here. And the BB question, even as we Christian Cardinal Tumi don't talk say that Ndongamen, it must to pass for Boya 21-22 day inside November moon. We never saw Sophie for talk, but they already talk about money. Around 32 million, now where they go use them for see as wedding Ndongamen. A pass fine. Inside Tori House for this afternoon, we get Oga Etwe Smith, where we Oga Smith. Thank you plenty for your time.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador.
All right. Another person too will get them for him. Now Oga Eric. Eric, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ambassador. I want great people the way they should on for TV. Take time for looking now also.
All right. So now we two people then that where we go talk with them for this side. So for Pigeon debate. For this Saturday, 13 day, number 10 moon, 2018. Quick, before we even get for enter for inside Tori, as we sabim, for this side, so for Besenge, one person he died this morning time. We go so turn for see way to a pass for that side for Besenge, just so we can for Giona the better Tori and the T way really pass for Besenge before one person he die. Sabi say police themselves, they be day for see as we they go make peace. We go talk that one, time we'll go meet up for here for Monday. But for Tori for this afternoon, we go start now with this palaver for votes. We go take una go for day for vote for Boya. Yes, we go take una go for day for vote for Boya. For talk this palaver for vote in the proper. Sabi say for that side for Boya. We the talk for Sika say be then a special one. As we plenty people that we don't check say vote it no go fit for pass for Boya. But true, vote it be pass. Yes, it pass for some kind of way. But now town this for Boya, Sunday number 7 day, we vote it be get for pass. Mountain. If a motor says it be define mountain clear, people they be see place. Now only motor them for K2, they be the tonton for inside town. As well we say make we enter for town for Siam. No one eye man will not be see and say for road for that side so for inside Boya. Place where they vote now for High Court side this will be for appeals court. We will enter for day. We see as we ought in if we don't prepare. But one of the mistake where people they talk na the paper for Akeremuna where they be so see and for all corner. Some people they will make work cover their face. No ask me why they cover their face. Whether I say they don't want to make people they see them. That one I know be fit for Sabi. But Sabi say ought in if we prepare for time for that side so for appeals court for inside Boyam. Now for the way they say so we Oga governor if we go vote. After we finish enter for inside that place for see as we place in the prepare one the way they hide their face for work. Sabi say overtake time. Governor says if we land for that place for see as we vote it go happen. Yes. Now court of appeal that as we turn now for the way they so vote if we pass for Boyam inside that side for Boyam. Sabi say one if we get for B for my 16, the one for my 16 for Sika Gonwe Hala for day. It like say they no vote. Even for Moya side, it like say they no be vote. Sabi say Dio says they be shoot hand for Dio for that side for Moya according to Toriwe he enter for here. But for that side for appeals court and we say for Monaco go college side vote if be pass fine and for yes we governor says if he can vote Oga Bernard Okala Bilai he can now it's a woman and plenty to them where they be there for a corner for say any person where one worry place make it Sabi say security says it be turn fine but Sabi say governor he vote fine for that side so where they call him appeals court for Boya he become in a chap Okala Bila and Chab now all them to the come for that side so for can see as well the vote it go happen. But Sabi say vote for appeals court it work fine. We go left that one. That in we take people there now see where to pass for corner side for vote. Sabi say for inside Boya for day for vote, attack they be happen as well be talk. Na motoris for that Sopekam, as well they call them, Cameroon Tribune. Na moto that way it is so gone, it be stand up on top his skin. Now for that side, so for my system. Lock is say driver man, bullet no touch and bullet where they shoot them for inside moto. A boss now for frontier, now the moto that one that they see also for inside, where they be go turn for that side, so for mile 16. They be the turn back before the attack happen where bullet a pass for moto it can boss. Now for outside so but apart from that one, no person, no bigger wound, and Sabi say some other attack too. It be there for Muya side for day for vote, for that side for Muya. DO for Boya, Kwamo Kampo will be yes a bullet, it be touch hand, and it be they carry him, go for hospital, make they go look at it. Now Sabi say inside that big day, some one person they way Congo side be already finish kill him. Now for Facebook, now for WhatsApp. Now Padiman where they call him say Nyat Mase Njifenji, Sabi say Iseseb, and then a president for all Senate people them. Congo side be already finish kill them and so they put it for 6 feet. But it too it on a vote for place where they call them say France, capital for France, when at Paris. Now for the way be vote, Sabi say pa, it no be when, and people they be don't talk, plenty story be don't come out say don't die, but pa say be work out with own 2 foot. A vote for place where they call them say Paris, yes. Now France, their own Yaoundé, as well we for Cameroon, our own big headquarter. Now Yaoundé. So Panyad Marcel Jifenji, it they fine. Now we go turn back for talk this palaver for votes will happen. Or guide to him. I go fair ask you whether he votes and how we vote, how the place it be.
Unfortunately, I don't vote. But the start of the day, the vote be passed fine.
Okay.
As of here. Because one of my brother will be for the other part of SDF. It's a thing that we pass fine. But me, so I don't vote.
Why not be vote?
Well, I not be registered in time. That be I show with if you go with the ID card. But I be go there, not being away till tell with if you go vote with the ID card. So when I be go there, my name not be come out. So we get to come back for us.
Now, we don't talk this palaver for vote. We happen for Bamenda. We don't talk to Bamenda side to the vote happen fine. Small. For Boya side, we don't see to happen. Like Cameroon, and what you get for talk for this day we vote be passed?
Well, the 206 Boya. I not say vote for cannot be effective. Because see, I say, you don't see the vote house, we not see nobody can vote. If people will not conduct vote, they even fear for shit for the chair. You see that woman right, he cover face. I not say he cover face, I don't face, they don't see face, but they take note of him. Okay, you see the whole street of Boya. A day of the army, people be busy. For I can go vote, but not come and vote because of the conflict way there for the country. So now the deal, I mean, governor and the woman where I say they can't vote. They will always see where the common moto. We not sit down where they even go inside the vote for go vote.
No, he vote. And I say we will get for continue the image.
So,
he vote.
You know, say if you already declare the vote we pass fine. I know say like Boya. As we have here saying a triple the vote Boya. No put the vote Boya.
You hear say?
Yeah, 3 years the vote Boya. But after we have percentage we come say we put the win. Where so primary way saying a triple the go for Boya. For Bamenda too, we only prime minister will say a vote. We vote for upstation. The rest of the places will not take place as we are.
All right, Oga Eric, we don't talk all the palaver for vote. You say be vote?
Yes, I be vote. I vote for Douala 4 for Bonaberi side for Kali Mission. I for I be vote. So
they
that's
the work I find for them.
For they inside my hall they vote. Play a vote, it work fine because I be stand for the I control for night. So I see my result before I go back for house. Okay. So I feel conclusive for my own side vote be work fine for myself because na me the person will be choosing I win for inside my hall.
Okay, for your own.
Yes.
Okay. Now when you look the way the vote be passed, particularly for places where fear be done the calm, say this will no go fit for happen, but it happens some kind of way. When you see other places, how you feel for talk?
Me that vote for Boya, me I see and say na government they so say me major they talk say all for say vote pass for all the 10 regions because for Boya I know if you open my mouth say they be re-vote because all we will know say all the whole population for Boya the one where they don't get money they dey for bush, the one that get small money or they get some relative the outside Boya for southwest they dey either for Douala or for different provinces. So I feel say that I think say that palava for Boya na administration for Boya na administration for CPDM don't vote that day. Governor, you know, a woman and a family, commissioner them, SDO them, commandant the brigade them. So now only administration that things they don't vote for that day because gone we all for Boya. I'm not sure say normal man will feel come that day for Boya. Because we get
you will not get Ketu them for your corner.
well, you will not get Kutu. You hear going you come out because even as Nadio, even Dio where they shoot it. Some information will come out say probably around give 130 guidance for all Dio and for Southwest and for Northwest. So if bullet don't take place, you get police people around it. How for me poor man where I don't get no man for guide me. Man come go vote. So I know say that thing way that they represent for me na fake. No vote no happen for day. Na some group of friends them they go organize vote for day because they even say and say for that video they say and say people them for elect and say they cover their family they don't demark them. It mean one thing and now one of the people they never show that people they even show on that table they write that thing and say they organize vote. Now put them for elect. Because in the best way, don't take accreditation for organized election. I don't know why they get for hide the face. He get for organize the face. He get for suppose say organize his election and be fair.
Now, apart from say more come up for Southwest, Northwest, we palava be the way people they no be check for same vote if you pass for the now. When you look the way the vote happen, shall be say before vote be one pass, one start. We get a person like Akere Munawi because he want join force with Cabra with Maurice Kamto. But last a paper be so be for all sides. Ele Kamto say he come late. But plenty people they don't argue for talk say Ele can be get phone wait for call all the people then for talk to me they come out Akere Munawi paper. So when you look that kind of one, if you say some small magumagu be there.
Yes, na plan where they be organize them because Akere Munawi be declare himself. Say no, present himself again for election. Say he go join Kamto, his site. So we be normal. Maybe the best elect people then because today technology be very easy. You get phone them, you get WhatsApp, you get messages them where you communicate in 1 minute. So information be if you go for all the whole country. So now elect can be get right for move that Muna paper for table because even for player vote I be very shocked. Tell them the open paper, them I see 4 people them when they vote for Muna because the paper be there on top. That means they go vote so they don't be get the information. So I be that 4 people. If for Bonabe that 4 be there, it means that the whole country they plenty where they make that mistake. So na very big plan way Eleka man CPG the organizer for make come to a number no go up, but we see wait.
Now, alright, so you know be there for town where the thing happen, but as I say for Sawe be there. You be the follow to where they happen for Cameroon small. This palaver for Muna and paper way it be so be for Sawi they vote. You be check say normal I be get for common.
Well, you know we support but the resignations will be too close. The wife you know be resign in time. He resigned very short time. But not when for but we will hear say no come here not be out. So I be always call for no to take place where they have come here on the 6th for watch the vote day on the 7th. It is not be too close. Where if you make say that commission become normally if people still resign, no people come for the vote table. Yes, if people don't speak for the vote table because everybody resign say not get to be. And when they put, they can only for create confusion. And we don't create confusion because like people try to talk now because now message you go for 1 second you don't finish the whole place. So one does that through phone, through WhatsApp, through internet, and so on. So, but I see talk say election will be too close with the day for election. Yes.
Now you check say. If to blame one commode, the blame go for Akere Muna say he talk say no go enter for the palava late or na say the elect people then say they begin forget that blame say they no act fine because the man be send letter for them tell them say I don't come out I don't join Hamu Maurice ABC now get forget the blame now.
No, the blame get to be now for the elect because as 5 hours later even though I talk say they give the decision late. But I blame it come for like a spirit later get right information all around the other parties for no say one man run drop. And again, especially as if it declares say make people they give a vote for Council Maurice Council. You know, so if people can't get for right for vote for me again, the business people go vote for Maurice Council. So Nele can get the greatest fault about it.
All right, and Eric, one person they way as I say maybe that will be here that Tori. You check see them through the pardon go. Nyat Maseta we see be the vote for Paris. If you say, you be glad say see day or na say just take them like any other Tori way they be for Cameroon.
I'd be very surprised because man like that day time I finish vote I go for my post. because I see president vote, I see video for CRTV, president vote, I see prime minister vote. I go for my account on Facebook. I ask and say, "Sir, Senator Day." So about 30 minutes time, they send me the video for my phone. I see the vote for France. So I be very glad because dying on a fighting, no man, rich man, he die. So we'll be glad. But the only thing why they accuse government is because government need to communicate. Because when some authority gets some problem or it is on side, government get right to inform the population because they pay impo. They pay all the money they pay them. So they get right for the inform way. Where did they go sleep? If they know where, they go tell you they know where. Who said they go sleep for the hospital? They go be. You know, be normal. Say president come out, and the only years president come on, no place to go. We only years don't come, but don't come on. They get right for tell play to go, for play to go sleep. Wait till they make it to go for day. It be normal. Now why that way? All that kind of news is come out. Even not only you want get that, you used to get that kind of news. Even president say for country. And then they lost all man they start talking some kind of thing. So now very nothing I accuse the government because they have to communicate. When person nowhere, may they come for formation as when it's such a Roma, when person talk about the captain, they can't cry for media. When person nowhere or he get some problem when they work inside government, they get right for country for media. They tell you say now they say on a president or on a senator there on a president for senate nowhere. Either for who's this hospital. So as in moment, if we not see it for hospital. Now say we should ask some man.
Some Cameroon and them they vex say they like say they no see all them like say they be Cameroon people. They say for they take example the passionate man we vote for Paris. You get plenty of them where they come up for southwest, northwest, where they cross go for different sides and they no be fit for vote. For Sika say no be now for Yaoundé or for Douala they register. They fascinate. You vote for Paris, so plenty people they try for asking a question whether they say all Cameroonians they no get the same rights.
You know some sense to it talk say now when you play the drum with the nakam, the person with the naga drum, it nakam the way you the style you go dance and fine. So me I know say all that thing, even prime minister, because I hear SDF the complaints, even prime minister for Bamina, no be give a vote for play vote.
You give a vote for Oku.
If you give a vote for Oku, they go vote for different side. So now them organizer, normally they give a dance. The person they organize and give for make a dance for their own style. So it be normal, but all that thing they will not say opposition party don't take note, and when the moment in front of law, they will present them.
Okay, so when we see talk this palaver, plenty of Cameroonian them they feel say they know they like they know be Cameroon because it gets as I talk, it gets some one day they come up from northwest. They be there Yaoundé will be get someone for tape. We try for talk say come vote. They tell us say no na for Yaoundé we be register. Say make you go for northwest go vote. But we get this our big pa. We he no be well. He be there for France. He vote for France. We if he don't register now for Cameroon.
That one is really so clearly say the country not define. Because a man of register for Cameroon, they go for France. Because a big man. You know, it be very wrong. Because I still don't talk safe. Me, I just come away with them say, now place where they not drum and a real person get dance. Yes. They not people drum about drum for you go pick dance for different place where you hear the sound fine. So it is say the country not they fine. Because bad not be support vote. We don't say no well and this being considered even die. Maybe the only one show is saying I just news say don't die, never die. Therefore, show is saying no die, but not say for Cameroon for France, where they for Cameroon. So it says the country work can find. That I say not fraud. Okay, see I work as
or if you say the autonomous say maybe he get two nationality.
Of course, yes. Or if it goes for register for Cameroon, then he can say go France again. Well, it be very impossible.
I might not cut you.
Yes, very possible.
I might not cut you. Government be no say that problem go happen. Say plenty of Cameroonians they know get means for vote. Especially the one there for northwest and southwest. So they begin for organize for place where they know they don't enter plenty like for Bonaberi where they be flop. Normally Eleka begin for go for the kind people they don't come out southwest and northwest. Look the way they will feel votes even for that Bonaberi. Then send their result for southwest. Because if Nyat, the permanent Nyat or Prime Minister, they vote for Premier League support for vote, they be make them for all Cameroonians because no Cameroonian no get right past the other one. All will be the same. All will get one birth certificate, or no Cameroonian will get two birth certificates. Except they will come for phone major TV say then they be special Cameroonian, they will not be special. So they begin right for do and two for people that they want that war for Southwest and for North. When they vote for any side, they be free vote. So now very wrong mistake, wrong thing way elect can do and way you go catch them.
All right. After we vote a pass, another Tory come up for up. Now who be send the white man them, this other them, we even face if it shows in attire people them. We go enter for this transparency palaver too. We talk this arraignment for this afternoon. Sabi say after we vote don't finish pass. Now for the way Transparency International SSF, they wake up, they talk say they no send them no man. Now them that where they should done, then SSF they be talk say they be people that way they don't send them, may they can look votes for inside the country. After where they make meet up with the Tory people them for Yawinde for talk say votes inside Cameroon, it pass fine and no nothing no be happen apart from small pungu where it be passed for different side them. Say votes it don't work out fine for inside Cameroon. And Sabi say then say they show their badge, say they be people them for Transparency International. One time big organization too for outside. It denies say it is so Transparency International no send no one eye man inside Cameroon for country as we vote it be happen. Now for this we'll start for dig underground. We try for understand say some company they where they call them say Agence Presse now for inside Cameroon. Company where they make them only for June, some few months before votes for Genyon Kunkuma happen. Now them they bring the people them. But how they manage get transparency name? Now the question that way person never feel for understand and so to them. They is also ask that question who bring the people them and how they enter for inside country so they be look at them like big people them for outside. Man he never feel for answer that question. Sabi say since that time sef, we never hear any talk for Grand Tango. We never hear any talk for Ngomna Togban. Chuluma Bakarim, Sabi say all the time, now them don't the social talk, palava for vote, palava how will people they no get for over hala for outside, they no get for make trouble. If after we vote results, it go come out by sote now, we never feel for hear anything. Transparency International don't deny. And the case is also there for this. Sabi say people then like Maurice Kamto, they do already talk say they go carry Grand Tango and even National Tory House or Court for Sika say they talk for people them pom palava this Transparency International. Now, Oga Eric, this story for Transparency International, it make them again plenty people they start asking a question. This our vote, how it go last on be?
Yes, this result for votes, that one again don't show we say the result will come out. Be result will be fair. Because if chief don't start, because it no be normal. Say so organization, a whole international organization, now will form a whole group, can put up for phone Cameroon and them, lie them, send a person in that way that they represent so and so group. After we discover and say other people have been fake people then. So if I ask that the transparency don't declare and say no that they be none that they send that people them. Now government receive them because they take flight, they give them visa. And embassy for Cameroon give them visa, so they feel no play they come and who invite them for Cameroon.
You sure say that people themselves they know be people there they eat or chop fish or down beach where they just eat on for down beach they enjoy.
Even they chop fish for down beach, but I say na foreigner them because no man.
And one man they full up for here.
Yeah, but na foreigner they even a white man they stay for here. But na foreigner them. We know say they don't ask visa for enter Cameroon. They don't go for embassy. So who invite them for Cameroon? So it be very simple. Make government not talk say they don't know about it. I suppose because no man is talking that the way that it's not come out. And he see Choroma can't talk. And he see Atanganji, he can't talk. And he see none of them. But I already hear a time when Moses come to go talk.
This one is so it's that principle because nobody like invited. If they be invited, but now people are rushing. Maybe the government no. Minister of Communication don't talk nothing because they say get hand into it. Because not enough for pass we no. I think you know if you talk again because saying no say they put a camp, drop for camp like full we say okay, they don't say international people can make the vote be transparency. So when we see and say fraud already there for the vote we pass, and if we not be very careful, we know the would only press a more result could be. If people go tired for bear with the result or who could be the winner.
No. Yeah, no cut you just for Sabi say only for Sikadi case and Palava for vote. We get plenty complain them where Constitutional Council it don't take them for a office. Sabi say total na 18 case them where Constitutional Council complain them where Constitutional Council don't take them for people there they don't talk. One of them a common for Bertin Kisop, two the funny people them plenty. Now say Bertin Kisop it dey for inside Ngata for Kondengi, but he also send his own complaint for Constitutional Council. E1 he get 15 complaint that we send them for Constitutional Council. Then we get even Reverend Rigoberto, where he says he send his own complaint. Then other people then too, they so they be matter for inside the vote. Maurice Kamto, he send complaint, and Maurice Kamto his own complaint where we enter for inside. He talks everything, made the council result for 7 out of the 10 region then for inside Cameroon, for Sika de Magumagu, he passed for that side, and for other people them like Cabral Libi and OC Joshua Tue, them too, they send their own complaint for Constitutional Council. They talk now say make the even council now all the election them for Sika say plenty Magumagu it be passed for the Constitutional Council too. It don't give time for election for talk. When election go finish talk, Sabi say big man for election say talk yesterday. Say vote for country, he work a fine. Say no patcha no be there, all thing happen fine. Constitutional Council say goes, it don't start shit on top. People there they count vote, they don't shit on top. Now 15 days they be get them for give it as a result it pass. Now when we don't get other complaint, guy he sure even as we some people they will talk say they did job play na play on top. We had the job play. You check the Constitutional Council go shit down. He count all that vote. Then he talks say, or maybe he hear the complaint. Then he hear any of the complaint. Then they know we put them for one side.
They not fit cancel the vote. Aside the election of be cancelled as I see. Because normally as complaint about plenty, and most of the people that vote, whether they contest for a presidential election, and they don't complain plenty. They are waiting if they get to cancel election. They go just say no. Better make the give the best way because they can't be cancelled now. Who could rule? How long they could start the election campaign again? I know that long start campaign again. But what we did, you see everything they clean and clear. Say the ones the ruling party wants to fraud for let's say they connect with themselves again. Because I don't know where to be wrong. Because a man like a big man, me I used to call him my papa school of Philip Madam, Mr. Porovia. That's why they call my Philip Porovia. You see, with the number of years we don't stay for this seat. If they make election again this year, then this year and say, so that God ever winning, I don't see why they could want for fraud again inside it. And you know, say so many people they talk so much about their party, the citizen party. You see? So for cancel the election, I don't know if they cancel now, which time again? Because if this country will be a good country, with the crisis will get the Anglophone, the two regions, they know for continue the election. They support cancel the election before time because they make the country be in peace. Okay, look at now. So many Cameroonians are there for refugee in Nigeria. They don't feel vote. You will be coming people also show you come out. So you have to come and say, now people don't vote for you. How if you manage if you win?
And the thing show paper for SD.
Yes, people are OC, so they don't even get a contest. Yeah, not like OC, not support contest. Just want to support contest for the election. That way, we become plenty. All people they establish. So one day for different side for refugees. So the thing is just be shocked person for say, two way up for this country. You know, correct. Not just correct.
Okay, yes. This order complain them and judicial photo the image for Northwest and Southwest will be entered for some place on Northwest and Southwest after the day for vote. Now Monday, it be then at the normal country Sunday, but we don't hear about all the complaint that they talk. You check say true. The people that when they do for Constitutional Council, the fish don't hear the complaint. Then if the complaint they make sense, they fit do any of the things that the people that they want and say me they do.
Me, I know say since they organize presidential election for country, I never ever hear say the cancel some election for Cameroon. They start and back. So no, not the one way I should say they go cancel.
So you know check say history fee happen.
But as the Constitutional Council, the first time they organize it.
Now the first time she don't.
Yeah, now the first time officially we she don't take that kind of decision. But see what the fear say because I'm a president for CPGM.
No, but even now the person appointee, the fees also get right. If the talk say the man no na win, automatically they know. So they get for be open, transparent. That's what they talk.
We know say for Cameroon the power get power pass up on executive power.
You know me.
And the executive power, let me talk.
You know me.
You know me now. And the executive power now President Paul Biya Roland. So law will take decision. But I know say all big decisions that they take for Yaoundé before they want to take them. They first come up for it 2G. Now so now the first come up for it 2G because all that people that they for that court, the people they win president for CBN nominate they put them for there. So
person never put justice.
Person never put you for some chair.
You get some people that they feel quickly.
Where they feel move you, yes.
Give me one man on way. Don't tell you one this. Probably I don't tell you talk. So you go to a different. Tell me one man. We never come on. All we do not the same country. We not country turn. So me, I know say.
Eric, I did try for talk say.
Yes.
Try for you to talk.
Yeah.
If the thing get for be so, and the people they say get for B, so then the toxin so you get for B.
Yeah.
They sabi say if the one a come out, another person go enter where they go so save their job. Na lie.
No.
So it means say the people they get for do their work, where they get for do.
But for Cameroon, we know our system. We know our system na dictator. For French, they call and say na one man talk. And regime dictator.
Na
for
one
French.
person they talk.
Now
Yeah,
you
for
text
French.
for everybody.
For French, they don't say c'est un pays dictateur. So now one man they talk with the year. So me no lie we. We know see that result. That period they do for this, so they don't get 100% liberty for take their decision. There. For all sides, when they enter inside assembly, even for senate, even they enter inside court them. They need to take decision 100% for some level.
Okay.
Some they must declare your own first before your own they decide. Prove now waiting. If you only see as we account, the whole account to them. Sometimes they do it. We used to go complain for mayor for day. It tell we say no. The one when I talk and say not enough my level. Na your own they go for decide on a delegate na delegate government. So when the mayor when are you voting? Me fix your town. When you show somebody just only one, not on my level. Now you only go for call me make am or my should employ they go for make am.
Government delegate.
Yes.
Which
I don't
is
see.
bullshit.
No, you even talk now. We don't see even what means that they come for village. We tell and say, pa, one school, one so and so, one so and so. Then they can't read them for your phone, speech to one time. You go see the minister go hook up, go tell you, see don't yet way, we don't ask them.
Yeah, you take and go up.
They don't, they ever talk say, go take and go up, go try, go show for pa, for your own day.
Na normal talk.
So it means say, and you know say, all it happen for all villages. You will not say, you have for all villages.
All right.
So now a very demonstration that they show you say, all things come on Yaoundé.
Okay, we go lock chapter for vote with the weight, just as we the weight, me too at the weight. For see as we the team the Wakam. We go enter for different sites. We talk this palaver for Northwest Southwest. Dongamen for prepare for all Anglophone general meeting in the past. Inside this week we will be finish and we will see person we cancel down for almost them people them up. Them. Christian Cardinal Tumiwe na SSF, he bring the idea, he be shidon. Right Reverend Funky Samuel, big man for all Protestant church and too, he be them. And General, wait till they talk. Christian Cardinal Tumi to say go up, come down. Say down Dongamen, it must to happen for inside Boyam. 21-22 day inside November moon, now we go happen. And they talk 32 million plus. Now they go use them and over talk plus. 32 million and they ask other money for back where they go use them for this Ndongamen. And they don't try for talk 17. This all Anglophone arrangement, no be na palaver for politics, na palaver for see. As they go help for say make this confusion for Northwest and Southwest. It stop so they don't talk say 21-22 day inside November moon. Now way this so they go happen and the meeting it happen for this money where they go use them for look other meeting. They say any Cameroon way get good heart if he give own small money, but they go make fundraising them for see as well they feel make money for that side. Now this idea for Christian Cardinal to me or guy to him, plenty people they don't talk, even as well they talk. But he don't talk saying a God, he don't send them. How you see the things? I be say we get people there that we don't deny say no fear happen.
You know, say this meeting I mean to explore take place since where there be council of Boya. The Senate for Radio talk now so. And last time we don't talk on this particular meeting. So the meeting could take place after the election, it will be of no importance again. But if as Cardinal talks so, you know, say Cameroon respect men of God. If they be respect men of God, man like Cardinal told you know, in a way if he talks something, they get to play with him. Even our president Paul Biya support take us serious. Mr. Paul Biya if Cardinal talk, he must hear for him. For obey, if they respect men of God. But if they make it take now on the 21st and 22nd to talk for Boya, if they could bring a solution or peace, because we don't know, because we get a little room say after the election, we don't know what I could look like. So now the country people will start what we did today, they may not even get time to take place again. You see, last time we just said the meeting was supposed to take place before the election, so that they will talk about peace in reign. But now you take after the election, we don't know what things will look like. You see, I know what it will look like.
Okay. Eric, this Ndongamen for all Anglophone conference for Boya site. Cardinal don't so not comfortable. Sabi said they don't talk say no fee for Boya. They never give authorization. But Cardinal talk say it must to happen for Boya. 21-22 day for inside 11 moon.
Yeah, be about the meeting. because the mayor for the town, he came out, I be listening interview with the denies, you know, who for a town. So me and Alicia and saying that meeting, you know, solve problem where the one find mixing for Twitter, because you know if you get wound, normally for treat your wound you get for star washer.
But if you be the all anglophone thing for Star Wars,
you go all anglophone and day. Na problem that. Usa that anglophone and day. Anglophone and day houses them for Bonaberi they hide. They for Nigeria they dance bushes they hide. Usa and day. Una the organized meeting. Una organized meeting men are be there. So for me, thing they begin for start because for no show that anglophone they don't run they for bush. When they dance houses them for Bonaberi for Nigeria they show them love. Say come on and they love them. They begin for go towards them. Since we are there for Bonaberi, they see anglophone they come out every day for Southwest. They don't even get place for sleep. I never see no mayor, even mayor for Bonaberi. I never see go down. Even can ask and say, also people they even come for some quarter. Come and say they find people them where they don't come out Southwest. I never see them. They don't like go for major to talk to them. Go for Bonaberi, you see anglophone they suffer. They know they sleep for guards here. They don't get place for sleep. Some my friends they get three anglophone people them for the house. We don't know them. They take them for guards here. This so they can put them for your house. They don't know say Bonaberi don't flop. Na very big area they make them. So may they go now. Normally if you go see the people there when they be the first people they be afflicted for the situation. That mean you don't forget matter with me. Once of I go come see you. I go come see you. I not go see my mommy or my papa. I go see sometimes chief for your village talk say I go get a rice for you or I want solve your problem because you know we solve no problem. Chief go take and she done. What did the show? We say chief and you on a day one. So make them go towards the population. They show them love, give them love for come back for their zone for bring peace. Because still the inside people they are picking their way, they don't get play for sleep now. So na different thing because everybody will talk with them.
You sabi say you talk say make they bring them. You sabi say this also happen for ground. So they happen for Norwest, so this palaver for fire and other small things. So no fee, you know, if you talk for them, say me they go show peace. If they show peace, it means all man get for keep. You shake and shoot for ground.
Yeah, now what I told you, they go for start because if population, Southwest population, come on one, they just say no. Me that even that people they call and say I'm a terrorist or that they don't give them. We they hold gun them. We don't take gun them. Even population hook up against them. Because no revolution, no the way population. If you make a revolution, population no you will fall. You see, if some revolution if stay, it means that some population live with you, they support you. So no revolution no deal with them make them. Population no deal with them. He succeed. Population must be for your back. If government, these people then because where they see them, so you know say. Man, I don't end up because I know you know as the thing in the past.
They don't talk say no me na political team.
No na political team.
They never join hand na their own sense or sense wey God don't put them for the idea they don't bring them. You see whether they feel you sabi trade they happen for Congo.
Now the way forward the meeting.
Now the very mission.
They not be talk say no in a political team. Some of them did in a political they decided also.
Even they did for foreign politicians and they did for their back. They did for their back they hide.
I know who they push them for. Maybe they make you
so. I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't. Man, no coach you. I don't know who said Peter Mafangi money ni own. Very obligation they get them for bring peace for Southwest. They need to talk about them. Nana too many people. They say not because they love God. All will love God. Okay. They made a talk. Made a mixing a big reasonable way. When if you hear it makes sense.
All right. So we go close that chapter. We take on we see condition now. We go enter for inside quarter. Then just now we would go for upper Mao, lower Mao. Now for Limbe, for talk palava condition for where we picking them for government primary school lower Mao, they learn, na road that way they go for school, na small food roads where they enter for school. That one they already tell you say that school it will surely be now for some place where they don't join them. Also they enter na the school that government primary school Mao for that side so for Limbe, now for Calabot, Idem. And this school, also the talk na school where don't they make 100% all time for exam, picking the learn fine. But the condition for school is there some kind of way where even papa themselves where they the same picking them for that school they hear bad. First for climb hill so they meet up Surrey school then a problem. Then for the picking themselves for learn fine, put their head for book. Now another problem for seeker say conditions self in no day. Even for that kind of strong condition, picking the pass book, fine. Now whole way with the same social block or social calabout. Place it just the empty way, even snakes if he pass he enter, he bite picking. But we know the prayer for that kind of thing for happen for the picking the way they so the social land, even as so the thing they no gum nothing, he never enter for that place or show say now them they don't do all thing na good heart people them for answer and say na whether all check them you go see na the person giam, na the person giam. So now all them so now for join hand for see as where this school go start. Headmaster own officers help us so go can show na BB shame. Na inside headmaster officer don't enter so. If we show na say headmaster for that school self the she done na shame for see can say headmaster no even get na better chair. He the manage chair na headmaster offices as well the say so na headmaster offices no better thing no dey for inside bed. They begin the social pass. Now the question how they answer whether early they know they for limbe or now say as when government talk say lower mao on a take government school. It will join moving hand. He talk say don't do question how don't ask him and we hope say government he go try for answer we and even early then say they go wake up join hand for see as we they go fix that school. Okay, to government na forgive school he forget he let population for continue or na forgive school he held them small then PTA to enter for them.
You know, any village or any country we want development, you want name, and government will give it a name, I will give it a development. You know, where Cameroon government, when they open school like we, for village, I say, okay, I don't open government school fair. Maybe if they try to make small beauty, but then if you follow for no, whether teachers will go for that school, or for see how picking will be very paid for that school. Okay, see a whole government school is a shameful thing. For big town, they live so. The kid will not get shame for sure. Emerson not even get a table for sure on top. So now very shameful thing with the Cameroon government. You see, and so people also go the price, okay, government don't give me secondary school my village. A job approval. They not do nothing. Picking the column for side, teacher the come for side. So now I put about the first time for most of our villages then. Even like my village, because we are school where they be open now, even our people they don't be put hand. The school not for existing today. When you don't buy so pity go, you see the calling bell, so now we go make job, mommy they will enter for bush. They go levy mommy, they levy man picking them for pay money. Only make there be one bench for teacher, or where there be all master in office. All over. They live there when they all make town, it be shameful. We don't fit up for elite. At least if you come to one open school for some particular village, make it a Zuma.
Yes. If you be in the early then to the ask for the school, so early then to the
I don't talk say people that want development. It's just say people that want them post, they know our responsibility. And they ask, okay, they need school, maybe picking everyone can be far from my school. They don't get enough school. They even ask government to approve it because they write in a letter. They must system the school be may function very well. It's a very shameful thing. You see? I'm open my number and say now in a very big village where we just say elite. And they know come up because in a limbe, they know come up for different sides for how put this school. They call about the elites for the village. For the village.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And when you see everything they donated by Africa, donated by these friends, these African friends, everything not to say government give them. We not even sign but say
government don't give school.
You know, you only give school apart. They live and so.
Maybe very technique say because when government give school, they give building. Even benches, they give what they call for friends decree. They give some communicate on decree. Yeah, na decree. Yes.
They make a budget.
No budget no
school. They make
no budget no day.
There is some contractors for cancel the place. They make a budget for build the school. There's some place after rumbling and so they just go.
No, that one I you talk. No, that's what happen for normally for Cameroon. For Cameroon, when I go for appeal, na just na one school for na place. Now when reach now for Yaoundé give na decree, so they don't give na school. That mean they don't recognize say una get for government school or GBHS or GTHS. That's what they happen.
Or primary school.
Yes, because they don't get so now na the buy land. No na the buy na the BT PTA the talk PTA government no PTA. Go for any school, give money for PTA whether you go Yaoundé, let go Yaoundé. Now for build on a school, now for fix on a school. Una even plan on the buy. So no the way government dey give because even when they go for my village, they give some secondary school. Now we will give land. Now we go cut tree, move plant them, soil plant them, can't build the school, can't fix them. While early they will go scratch them, they give small money, they will make benches them, put them for school. That's what they happen for all sides. So the fit talks that government they give school for a population. Now Cameroon they give school for for their picking them. Because if you've been a project when a government give when government give road, like they give contract or contract, they follow the contract. When the contract don't finish, they deliver the machine. So when they give school for some place, normally a government will be responsible. They go for follow up the school, they go for build the school, put benches them. Now we don't do it for our own level. We have to continue if picking a camp. Not be for Cameroon we do 2018 to see that kind of school for Limbe. Then you expect you will see that kind of school for town for Cameroon. You expect you win election. Then you expect for win election for the village, or you go stand for me just you don't win election. Now very bad image for Cameroon, and a very bad image for sure say you don't win election for that kind of zone.
But we no check say even if government never do, we get people them. Limbe na Limbe, whether na the village, you know, come for the village, Limbe na Limbe, we no check say even the people they do for big places. They fit check say okay, this school, they fit join, see how they fit make something. That is help all small villages for inside for see how the school will grow.
Ambassador, may I tell you, even though I say people like you know, school na really try go get the kind of image. You want to see how to feature the kind of image one for people to see. Now government they don't feel ever show them. They don't feel show them. They could always show maybe as job like new. Or the announcer say, "Go give this kind of thing for this village." Where the job announcer so many man say don't do them, and people go to the class. But no can make follow up, or even say go to our drums. See if the SMS see actually ever show the kind of image money. If not, now like you know so na bina people na show things the way you work for the country, so that people begin take note. You see. So which way we see also a very shameful thing for this government what they now.
For 2009,
it's very shameful.
Not only for Limbe, na the situation where all Cameroon dey face am. For 2009 for San Malima Pobia has day for San Malima. We don't be like this. They used to come, but they can't sleep. School for day. Now I say a year become a mamina San Malima woman. School for day. If fall for picking their skin. For 2008 for some village, Mumokong, the Mamami village. If fall for their skin, when they didn't start class, they have to don't start the bend because they make an without mud now. That potopoto without bend. Has to be the bend so bend to go picking the didn't start class. Then British just come some money times of win pass. The school collect for picking. Log say picking no one picking no die, but they get wounded. For poor be own place, that kind of thing and day. Then for side they don't know it. That one it go be the worst. So me I'm from an office now. Then the face that problem. They for all side for Cameroon.
A general problem.
But me they don't know say any man to get his own way for reivindicate his own right. So if Anglophone man reivindicate his own right, they go stand for the talk. If me and the government she don't answer us, I don't get for blame the other man. Any man they can get the own style.
Yeah, because we sabi so if also for Palava school, we don't show school for Marwawi. Yes. Now only two stick they stand up them picking the learn for under. So they will breeze it can be blow. School no day that day. I said they don't fix that school.
And you go see that kind of school. What time election for put Gio the mayor and deputy they will start. We see another. They will wrong put pen for that for the whole school. Yes. They will wrong put pen for them. They will wrong take Benjamin. Call Canada. Call.
No, we need to call people their name. Tory housing.
Call their major. The way they like for show them. The way they do find that kind jumbo in them. Because jumbo you give me a give.
Okay.
So, person will like the country. That village na for check.
Okay. We don't finish story for this afternoon. No turn or talk also we get for talk, but we don't talk small thing will be important too. Now for saying we could see as we country they go for before. Okay, Trey Smith, thank you plenty for your time and I hope so will meet us other time.
Yeah, thank you very much for the invitation when I give me. I will say any other time when you invite me when I get time I'll show up.
Okay, you'll be turn man. Eric, thank you plenty too for your time.
Thank you, Ambassador. I know say me get plenty to talk after this story. We'll come over for here, but I want to get all my Dutch done. Listen to me so till the end of this program. And may the only thing we wish I say may peace be for the country. Say even changes one day, may be inside peace.
All right, thank you plenty. Francois Decoumen, I put me glass for all we face this afternoon. Thank you to Various, na be the Puri sound and they make people they look with for outside. Malice, if the hell we foresee as we put they follow me too for Facebook for live and after said we put them for YouTube. Thank you. Nadine Guafon, na be the Iron Woman we there for back all the images we see on the show now for this afternoon. Ambassador go turn back for Monday for a normal time, 8 o'clock, 1 o'clock. They make you sabi say if you miss program 8:30 for some time, you feel so looking for Sunday. For me, Nasote for Monday, on a whole and tight for outside.